Hello, I am Neeta Sharma from Brain League Learning. Today we will learn the principal value of inverse trigonometric functions. The key idea is that inverse trig functions return a single, official angle, even though many angles give the same trig value. Trigonometric functions repeat forever, so the same value happens again and again. For example, sine of 30 degrees and sine of 150 degrees are both 1/2. To avoid confusion, we restrict the answer to a principal range. Here are the standard principal ranges. Sine inverse and tangent inverse use -90 to +90. Cosine inverse uses 0 to 180. Example 1. Find the principal value of sine inverse of 1/2. The angles with sine 1/2 are 30 degrees and 150 degrees. For sine inverse, we must stay between -90 and +90. So the principal value is 30 degrees, or pi/6. Example 2. Find the principal value of cosine inverse of 1/2. Cosine 1/2 occurs at 60 degrees and 300 degrees. The principal range for cosine inverse is 0 to 180, so the principal value is 60 degrees. Example 3. Find the principal value of tangent inverse of -1. Tangent -1 happens at -45 degrees and also at 135 degrees. The tangent inverse range is between -90 and +90, so the principal value is -45 degrees. To summarize, the principal value is the official angle inside the chosen range. Always check the correct range for each inverse trig function, and then pick the angle that lies inside it. Thank you for watching.